What's going on, guys? It's your boy Lord Noobles back at it again with another legit food review. And today we're gonna be doing a Tony D's pizza that I am not delivering. So first things first, if you don't know me, follow my Twitter. No! 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 How's that look? I knew this was gonna happen.
Then why didn't you stop it?
I don't know. I thought I had more time. No more. No, no. You have any idea what you just did? I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready to start my career. What do I gotta count to get back up? Take a walk or something. Shut up.
Wasn't that Julian there the one you were supposed to be?
I don't know. That's not who I wanted to be.
What else is something I can say?
I guess not.
Folks, what can I say about my next guest? This cat allowed himself to be adored but not loved. And his failures in work were matched only by his failures in his personal relationships. And he came to believe that work, show business, love, and all that jazz was horse crap. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you a so-so entertainer, not much of a humanitarian, and never anybody's friend. In his final appearance on the great stage of life, you can applaud if you want, Mr. Julian Solimo.
This isn't how I wanted it to go. This isn't how I wanted it to be.
Hey, you smell bad. You know that?
What was the point of it? What was the point of running around, all blue in the face, all over the place? Where was I going? What was I doing?
Hey, monkey face! Who made you so ugly?
If I had more time, would this be different?
Why didn't you spend your life doing what you wanted?
There's so many things to do, so many things to make, so many things to enjoy and interact with and experience. How does anybody have the time?
Why did you waste your life doing what you didn't want to do?
My mother used to tell me stories of how she would kill a chicken. This is the worst thing I've ever worked on.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is the worst. There's nothing I can do to fix it at this point.
I mean, it's funny, but here's the thing. You should download Google Giggles. It's like Discord, but for movies.
Discord, but for movies?
Yeah, they say it's like AI Jesus. You can just, like, get any answer for any question you have.
The biggest wall that you need to climb is the one that you build in your mind.
Keep moving forward and never give up.
You got all the talent in the world, but are you obsessed? Is it all you ever think about?
When the going gets rough, keep going. It'll get better.
I gave everything that I had. I poured my heart, my blood, my sweat, my tears to this game, and
you'll make it one day.
Mom, I just want an Oscar.
Forget what you did. Live and learn. You can do it.
Graceful ape always climbs the tree.
Who's the hardest person in
in school?
I'm gonna have to go with
Keep going.
Practice any art to find out what's inside you, to make your soul grow.
Dreams are something you have to believe in. I almost gave up on mine. To all of you out there, please keep your dreams alive.
Okay, extreme ping pong. Take one.
You can do it. I believe in you.
You're the greatest of all time. If your fat monkey heart is still breathing, keep going.
You are now the king, and you will be a truly great king.